In this video, we're going to graph a line using m and b by comparing our equation given, y equals 3/4 x minus 2, to y equals mx plus b. What is m? We compare in the equation. M is with the x, so this is our m, equal to 3/4. What is b? Compare it to the equation plus b, so we have minus 2. So b equals minus 2. At this time, we're going to begin graphing. So we start with the b value of -2. That is on a y-intercept, so it's on the y-axis. I'm going to plot it right there, -2. The next thing is I need to look at the slope, and slope is equal to rise over run. So in this case, the slope is 3/4, which means the rise is 3 and the run is 4. So I'm going to go up 3 and over 4. 1, 2, 3, and over 4 puts me right here. Put another X. To be sure, I can go up 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and over 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and put another X. At this time, I can join those points, and I have now graphed the line y equals 3/4 x minus 2.